Hi friends, it's Lynn here, and I'm excited to share with you the January kit of the month, which is great for travel, and it's called Are We There Yet? Let's get started and show you the products that we'll be using. First of all, there will be an online crop where you can create the 10 pages that I've designed with Are We There Yet product line. It will be Saturday, March 4th from 9 to 5. And it's $40, and there are 6 extra bonus pages for crop attendees only, so you're going to want to do this with me. It's going to be fabulous. We are using the Are We There Yet scrapbooking workshop kit, which, as you know, contains a lot of pattern paper, cardstock, sticker sheet, exclusive products and papers that you see here, and these rubber suitcases, which are really cute. That's what the papers look like. You see you have a nice bright palette. The stickers are beautiful to work with, and I'm really enjoying the variety of artwork that I can share for a great travel vacation. We are adding some custom cardstock, so you want 2 linen and sapphire, honey butter and peach, and 4 glacier. Whoops. The Picture My Life cards I highly recommend because we can use them and cut pieces out, but we're also going to be using them for journaling and adding flair to our layout. The Are We There Yet scrapbooking stamp set with thin cuts is something else that I'll be using. I love the camera. I love the passports, our getaway. All of these items here are thin cut, have a thin cut with it. So suitcases are kind of cool. And you know what? You can use this any time of the year for any of your vacations. This is the border stamp set thin cut for Are We There Yet? So you have a chevron. I am using this one, which has a thin cut. The tickets are super cute. I'm going to show you how it looks on the layout. I also like this border of the lines. And then this one, I call it the eyelash, but it's a scallop thin cut, so you can use this at any time on any paper. There are a lot of inks that we're adding to use with all of these stamps, so you'll have to check your stash to see which ones you'll need. By the way, you want the linen because we will be using it on the stencils. Now, this is the mix-ins, and this mixes in so well with this workshop kit, and I'm so excited that I got 16 pages in all out of it. This is the stencil, and you will be using the Explore. We're using the map, the world. You can do the suitcase if you want. You do live, love, travel. If you're going into a city, you'll be able to add this to a layout if you'd like, but you're going to really enjoy learning how to use these stencils so that you can have a lot of fun on any of your layouts that you create in the future. Here's the first layout that you can see right here. So getaway, our getaway is stamped. We have the Picture My Life cards. I love the passport using that little arrow down here. Now you can see those tickets are stamped. And this is a pocket. We're going to put a pocket that will be able to hold any kind of tags, ticket stubs, or even some journaling. Here you can see what I'm referring to here, the passports and those tickets. Our getaway. Whoa, that went fast. Oh my goodness. There it is. Your world, explore your world, ticket ride. So now you can see the different colors. We have sapphire, honey butter, papaya, and this is bluebird. Here's another layout, which is Are We There Yet? Is a big sticker. And this I'm doing a 6x12 flip flap, which gives you more opportunities to even add more photos. This is just such a colorful layout, and I really love it. And we are stenciling on these pages. Right here, you can see underneath a little bit down here, and over here is the stencils of the world, and I really love how this looks together. You're going to enjoy learning how to use that. So here's your flip-flap open, and you can see underneath over here our getaway. So that's the top of the flip-flap. And this is going into the next page. Now, this one, Explore, is super fun. You have the word Explore. Adventure is meant to be shared. So let's talk a little bit more about that. So this is using the stencil and about 3 to 4 inks that we'll be adding to this. So you really get a cool look with that title. This is a Picture My Life card. We're adding a thin cut to cut out just those pieces. There's that little rubber suitcase. This one is stamped. You have all this little stamped images right here as well. This is an 8x12 flip flap that we're adding, so it gives you more opportunities for photos. So this is the top of it, and this is underneath. So we have Explore That World that's stamped. We have a Picture My Life card that is being used, and some of the punch outs also in the layout. Love the camera being stamped on a couple of different colors here, and then you're using thin cuts. Just makes a nice fun part of a title. And you can see how colorful this layout is. This is on our Glacier cardstock. That's why we need 4. And this down here is those borders being stamped and popped up. So that's all on thin cuts. Don't you love those thin cuts? I do. They make it so simple for stamping. Having a Great Time is a wonderful title, and now you can see it a little bit closer here. And if you have any of those blue dots hanging around, you can add those little hearts or stars that you'd like. Now, this would be my title page of an album for a travel retreat or vacation. So I'm going to use this. So we have some Picture My Life cards here. Life is grand, is a grand adventure. Enjoy the journey. And I used a thin cut to cut that out. Some stamped images right there. Just really fun. This is going to be the last page of that we're working on, that, but it would be part of an album. Now, this is a 5x7 flip flap, and I'm going to teach you how to make this into a pocket to carry your travel brochures, things that are like a trifold, 8.5x11 folded in half, or trifold, and things like that that you can put inside there. And then this would be the end of your vacation, which is kind of sad, right? So here you can see we have some of the stamped images here. You have, we're going to fussy cut. We have those rubber suitcases, some stickers. It's really so much fun. Well, those are the 10 pages that you'll be creating that are part of Kit of the Month. But remember, there are 6 more pages for those of you who sign up for the online crop for Saturday, March 4th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for $40 with a minimum of a $50 purchase. You're going to enjoy the opportunity to create these, and you probably get something like at least half an album out of it, right? So I hope you'll join in and enjoy the whole process. Thanks for watching.